My workshop's small, so I'm always on the lookout for little tools that have a big impact. This is a great example of it. It's a tool tray with edges a little bit over an inch tall. On the back side, there are two powerful magnets, so it works by attaching it to any steel surface. You can adjust the angle of the tray through 180 degrees, but we'll get into that detail in just a minute. I typically attach it to the side of a piece of equipment. The entire tray has a nice smooth powder coat finish, so I like to use a liner in it, which helps all my tools to not roll around when I place them in. The smaller version has a single magnet on the back, and here's how you adjust the angle. There's a lock nut on the side, you just loosen it so you can adjust the position of the tray relative to the magnet. In this case, I'm going to be using it underslung. Once you have the position you need, you tighten down the lock nut. And in this case, I'm going to attach it to the bottom of the main tray. I typically keep small parts and fasteners in there. And I can work from this setup here in the workshop or anywhere around the house or outside that the project is. You can see it makes a big difference in how I work.